Hello Bachcha Party. Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine and very good. Yes, I am also fine. Thank you so much. So how was your Diwali? Did you eat sweets? Did you eat laddu? Did you eat मिठाई? आपने मिठाई खाई सबने? एंजॉय किया? पटाखे जलाए? Very good. Yeah, I am also fine. Thank you so much. Once again, today we will learn how to write cursive small letter W and how to write cursive small letter X. Okay. First, look here how to write. See the formation and how to write cursive small letter W. But first, we will do prayer. So everyone, please stand up. Join your hands. Close your eyes and repeat after me. Guru Brahma. गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Slowly open your eyes. Today we will do writing work. So please take out your notebook, pencil, eraser and scale also. Okay. Now look here. See the formation. How to write cursive small letter W. Okay. Now see. This is your 4 line. How many lines? There are 4 lines. Okay. Now see how to write cursive small letter W. See, this is your 4 line. Now see how to write cursive small letter W. W, start from this line, slanting line, make W and turn the line. Which letter is this? Cursive small letter W. Cursive small letter W. Which letter is this? Cursive small letter W. Cursive small letter W. Which letter is this? Cursive small letter W. Now again see this. How to write cursive small letter W? Start from this black line, slanting line, make W and turn the line. Okay. Tell me now which letter is this? W. Which letter is this? W. Cursive small letter W. Cursive small letter W. Now see the formation. Slanting line, make W and turn the line. Which letter is this? W. Cursive small letter W. Okay. Now we will make in air. How to write cursive small letter W in air? See this. Put your finger here. Keep your pencil down. Keep your eraser down. Now just look here. Put your finger here. Start from this line. Slanting line. Make W and turn the line. Okay. This is the formation of cursive small letter W. Okay. Now you understood how to write cursive small letter W? Very good. Now take out your notebook. Take out your pencil, eraser and scale also. Hurry up. Now we will write cursive small letter W. Okay. So everyone, hurry up. Take out your new page. Write down CW and today's date. Go to up, right here, CW and today's date. Okay, hurry up. This is your red line. always write after red line. Okay. Now we will write the heading. First letter always come in capital letter. Remember. Okay. Now see. Right here. C U R S I V E. Cursive. C U R S I V E. Cursive. Take one finger distance. Right here. S M A L. One more L. It means double L. Cursive small. Take one finger distance. Right here. L E T. One more T. Means double T. E R. Cursive small letter. Now make here. Take one finger distance. Take one finger distance. Hurry up. Hurry up. Write here W. Okay, done. Hurry up, hurry up. Now draw two standing line. Divide in three parts. Hurry up. Hurry up. Done? Okay, start from this line. How to write cursive small letter W? Start with me. Start your writing work with your math. Slanting line. Make W and turn the line. Which letter is this? Cursive small letter W. Which letter is this? Cursive small letter W. Now again look here. Slanting line. Make W. Turn the line. Which letter is this? Cursive small letter W. Cursive small letter W. Okay. Now go that side. Write in proper line. Don't go out of the line. Start. Hurry up. Cursive small letter W. Say and write everyone. Cursive small letter W. See the formation. How to write cursive small letter W. Okay, don't make a mistake. Write in proper formation. Cursive small letter W. Cursive small letter W. Cursive small letter W. Always say and write. Cursive small letter W. Write till the last line. Okay, don't write only 2 or 3 lines. And keep practice in your cursive writing book also. Cursive small letter W. Cursive small letter W. Cursive small letter W. Hurry up. Use your last line. Hurry up, hurry up. Write in the last line. Use your last line. Okay. Now go to the next line. Write down cursive small letter W. Hurry up. W. 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 Done? Write till the last line. Hurry up. Done. I will give you 1 minute. Write in full page. Write in proper line. Okay, now go to the next page. Write down the homework. HW and today's date. Right here. Same as CW. Okay. Write down same as CW. Okay. It means same to same. Write down in your homework. Not now. Okay, done? Now we will learn how to write cursive small letter X. Okay. So you understood how to write cursive small letter W? Done? Okay. Now we will learn how to write cursive small letter X. Okay. See the board. Keep your pencil down. Keep your eraser scale down. Don't play with your eraser and pencil also. Keep down all the things. Just look here. Now see the formation. How to write cursive small letter X. Keep your pencil down. Just look here. No need to write now. अभी लिखना नहीं है. Okay? Just see the formation. सिर्फ formation देखना है कैसे writing वर्क करना है. Okay? Now this is your 4 line. See the formation. How to write cursive small letter X. Okay? See. This is your black line. Okay? Between the black line, make slanting line and turn the line like this. Okay? Now start from this line, slanting line, turn the line. Which letter is this? X. Cursive small letter X. Cursive small letter X. Start from this line. Cursive small letter X. Which letter is this? X. Cursive small letter X. Okay? Now again look here. Start from this line. Turn the line like this. Again slanting line. Turn the line like this. Which letter is this? Cursive small letter X. Cursive small letter X. Which letter is this? Cursive small letter X. Turn the line like this. Start from this line. Turn the line. Which letter is this? X. Which letter is this? X. Cursive small letter X. Cursive small letter X. Okay, now see. Slanting line. Turn the line. Start from this line. Slanting line. Turn the line. Which letter is this? X. Cursive small letter X. Cursive small letter X. Okay. Now see. We will make it air. Okay. Start from this line. Put your finger here. Slanting line. Standing line. Turn the line. Okay. Now go that side. Start from this line. Slanting line. Standing line. Turn the line. Okay. Slanting line. Standing line. Turn the line. Start from this line. Slanting line. Turn the line like this. Which letter is this? X. Cursive small letter X. Now you understood how to write cursive small letter X? Very good. Okay. Now take out your notebook. Start your writing work with your Madhura ma'am. Okay, done? Okay. Take out your new page. Write down CW and today's date. and don't make a mistake, okay? Hurry up. Write in proper line. CW and today's date. Standing line. Right after red line. Always keep in your mind. First we'll write the heading. Write here C U R S I V E. Cursive. Start your writing work with your map. Done. Cursive. Take one finger distance. Write here S M A L. One more L. Cursive small letter. Take one finger distance. Write here L E T. One more T E R. Cursive small letter. Take one finger distance. Write here X. Done. Now go to the next line. Draw two standing line. Divide in three parts. Your lines divide in three parts. Hurry up. And always say and write. Done? Hurry up. Okay. Start your writing work with your map. Start from this line. See between the black line, slanting line, turn the line. Start from this line, slanting line, and turn the line. Which letter is this? X. Cursive small letter X. Cursive small letter X. Cursive small letter X. Okay. Now go to the next line. Start from this line. Slanting line. One more slanting line like this. Which letter is this? X. Cursive small letter X. Cursive small letter X. Okay, go to the next line. Write in proper formation. Cursive small letter X. Cursive small letter X. Cursive small letter X. Okay. Cursive small letter X. Cursive small letter X. Write in proper formation. Cursive small letter X. Cursive small letter X. Done. Write till the last line and always say and write. This is small letter X. Done? Hurry up. Don't write only 2 or 3 lines. Write in the last line and write in proper formation. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, now done this. Go to the next page. Write down the homework. Write here HW and today's date. Right here. Same as CW. Okay, done. Hurry up. Done this? Okay, now bye bye. See you tomorrow. Please stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.